You don't need money to make money. I know that sounds like a motivational post, but in 2026, it's simply mathematics. Every fortune you have ever seen started as a single decision, a skill, and a system. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to build wealth from absolute zero. No family money, no perfect credit, no lucky crypto lottery tickets, just a practical step by step blueprint you can begin today. Let's start with the one shift that determines everything, the identity shift. The first asset you need isn't cash, it's your self image. If you believe you are broke, your brain will find evidence to keep you broke. Wealth creators see themselves as owners, producers, and investors. In 2026, the market pays you for solving problems, not for hoping. So, your first action step is to rewrite your inner money script. Take a piece of paper and write this sentence: I create value, money follows value. Then list three skills you already have that could help someone else. That list is your starting net worth. That takes us to my next point. You need to build your $500 seed capital from nothing. How do you do that? Money from nothing starts with assets you already have. You don't need a job to start. Your second action step is to create $500 seed of capital using things around you. Sell clothes you don't wear, offer a micro service to neighbors, car cleaning, grocery delivery, tutoring, or simple online help. Walk through your home and ask, what can I turn into cash this week? A spare phone, a drill, a bicycle, even your time on a weekend. The goal isn't $500 to get rich. The goal is to prove to yourself that you can create money on demand. Then protect that $500. No fast food, no new clothes. That is fuel, not income. Learn one high value skill. Now, seed capital is not enough. You need a skill that businesses will pay for in cash. Skip the get rich quick courses. Instead, choose one high income skill: copywriting, video editing, basic art management, bookkeeping, or web design, etc. etc. Action step number 3: spend 30 minutes every day for the next 30 days learning one of these skills using free resources on YouTube, public library, free tutorials, and AI tools. At the end of the 30 days, post one service offer on a freelance platform. You are not aiming for perfect. You are aiming to be competent enough to help one small business make more money. Create micro assets. In doing that, this is where wealth starts to get interesting. Use your skill to build micro assets, digital products that you create once and sell many times. A PDF guide, a Notion template, a simple slide deck, a short video course, or a set of designs. Your fourth action step is to create one micro asset this week. Keep it small, make it useful, then sell it to 5 people. The point is not the amount. The point is to understand the loop, create value, deliver value, get paid. Once you see that loop, you can never be broke again. Automate your investing. Now you have income. This is the moment most people ruin it. They spend everything. Instead, act like a wealth creator. Open a separate investment brokerage account and set up an automatic transfer. 20% of every dollar you earn should go into a low cost index funds or fractional shares. Action step number 5. Set up one recurring transfer this week. Even a $20 a week is enough to start a foundation. When it's automatic, you don't need willpower. You need structure. This rule is what separates people who look rich from people who build real wealth. Leverage compounding. The real magic is time, not timing. Let's do the math. If you invest $100 a month and earn an average of 8% return, after 30 years, you have about $150,000. But if you can build your income and invest $500 a month, the same return gives you over $745,000. That's the power of consistency. Action step number 6. Go to a compound interest calculator and calculate your future number. Write it on a sticky note. Post it near your computer. I found my future first. You are not investing to get rich tomorrow. You are investing to become unstoppable by 2050. Scale with profitable investments. Once your investment account reaches $1,000 to $5,000, you can scale into more specific profitable investments. For example, broad index funds, dividend paying ETFs, or small side business that produces cash flow. But stay boring. Don't chase options, meme coins, or 100% guaranteed returns. If you don't understand the assets, you don't own it. Action step number 7. Before your next purchase, spend 2 hours researching one investment and write a 1-paragraph thesis. That means, why do I own this? And how does it produce value? This process alone will put you ahead of 90% of new investors. That brings us to how you create your daily wealth system. Wealth is built in systems and not giant heroic moments. Create a $1 day challenge. Every day, find or earn at least $1 extra. Read 10 pages about money. Post one piece of value online. Transfer $1 into your investment account. Yes, $1. This daily practice compounds your skills, your confidence, and your capital simultaneously. After 30 days, you will be a different person. Action step number 8. Set a 30-day challenge with 3 daily habits. Learn 10 minutes, create $1, share one value. Avoid these wealth killer mistakes. There are 3 wealth killers that will steal everything from you. 1. Lifestyle inflation, consumer debt, and get rich quick promises as the number 3. When your income goes up, don't immediately upgrade your rent, car, or dinners. In 2026, scams are also getting smarter. If someone promises guaranteed weekly returns, it's a trap. Never invest money you need in the next 3 years. Your greatest wealth building asset is your earning power. Protect it at all costs. That takes me to action step number 9. Write down your top 3 financial anchors and one trigger that will dissolve them instantly. Wealth from nothing is not a moment, it is a direction. Follow the blueprint. Rewrite your identity. Build your $500 seed capital. Learn one high value skill. Create micro assets. Automate your investing. Harness compounding. Scale with boring profitable investments. And use daily systems to stay consistent. You already have everything you need to begin. In 2026, you can go from zero to becoming inevitable. If this video gave you value, subscribe to the Copia effect and share it with one person who needs to hear it. Next week, I will show you exactly how to create your first profitable digital assets. Tap the bell so you don't miss it. Wealth is waiting. Go create it. I will see you in the next one. I remain your coach and friend, Adams.